Okay, class. So today you're going to make your own Kahoot. So what you're going to do first is type in the search bar kahoot.com. Once you get here, you're going to go to sign up. You'll be a student, un estudiante. Then you need to put your birthday in. So you have the month, the day, and the year that you were born. Continue. Continuar. Then you're going to type in a username, but a lot of them are taken, so you can use this little button right here, and it comes up with a username you can use that's not taken. So if you want to use this one, you can go there, and then you're going to create your own account. So you're going to go with your continuar con Google. You're going to go with your Google account because that's what U46 uses. And then you're going to type in your account. So that would be whatever your username is at U46. So it would be, that would be your username at u46.org. Whatever that is, then you would click next, siguiente. So this is, when you click next, it will give you an option and you need to put in your password in it too. And then you're going to click next again. So once you've gotten into Kahoot and you've made your account, you're going to go to create so you can start making your Kahoot. So click on create, and here's where you'll type your question. So for example, if you want to say, what color is the sky? Then you can type all of your different options that you want to give. So you could say red, yellow, blue, green. The only thing that you have to do is select which question is the right answer. So what color is the sky? Blue. You would select this one so that when they play your Kahoot, then we'll know which question is the right answer. So you can also put in pictures right here to make it look cool. So you can go to image library and find different pictures. So you have here the most popular pictures. Then you can go to animals. There's all kinds of different categories that you can go to. There's math, music, all different kinds of things. So click on one of those, and then here let's see. We can go to this turtle. So that just adds the turtle picture into here, and then you can pick how many points it's worth. So you can go higher or lower, keep it there. And then if you want to add another question, you can do the same one. So this one that we just did was called quiz. So that gives them different questions or different answers that they can choose from. Or you can also do true or false. So then you would have to type a true or false question. So is the sky is blue. Is that true or false? You would select true because the sky is blue. So that would be the right answer. And then, yeah, you can go here and you can also upload images from your computer. You can put in a YouTube link to play a video too. So there's that. And then you need to make sure that you have a title. So the color of the sky. So that's going to be the title of my Kahoot. I'm going to do it in English. And you can pick what music you want to do. So there's all different kinds of music. You can listen to it with these little buttons right here too. And then click done. and you're going to click Done here. If you want to play your Kahoot or test your Kahoot, you can do one of those. So that'll let you see how it's going to look. Or once you're done with it, go to Share with Others, and you're going to type in your teacher's email addresses. So you're going to need to make sure that you have those written down or somewhere that you know where they're at. And then you're going to type in one of our email addresses and then send it. So just type it in right here. I'm not going to type in my email address on here because this is a YouTube video, but you're going to type in the email address there, and then it should allow you to search it. Come up with the name, and then there will be a little button right here that says send. So to send it by email, you'll type in my email address and then click send next to it. And then your teachers will be able to play the games in class.